We'll talk about how capable is OpenAI's ChatGPT. So recently, I was just exploring ChatGPT, and in the meantime, I was also solving some problems. So on Leetcode. So I just out of curiosity, I thought let's see if OpenAI's ChatGPT can solve problems on the Leetcode. So let's explore that, and let's try to uh, analyze what it is doing. So, ChatGPT is a platform that that is that is created by OpenAI. OpenAI is a firm which introduces new AI tools, and it is Microsoft has heavily invested in this OpenAI, and it has various other tools also. So let's we are more interested in Chat GPT. So let's try about it. So to try Chat GPT, we must be signed in. So if you go to OpenAI, if you click on try Chat GPT, it will ask you to log in or sign up. I'm already logged in. So my workspace, it opens a workspace over here, and it is it is a pretty simple UI, which shows that you can send a message, and it has given some examples. So uh, you can figure out from the examples like how you have to ask the questions, and also it we can see over here the capabilities. So and limitations. So ChatGPT has pretty much explained everything that it is capable of. It has not explained everything that it is capable of, but let's explore it. So we are more interested in lead code. So lead code, for those who do not know, and sure, the number of those people would be close to zero. But for those who do not know, it's a platform where you can you will get ample amount of questions, and you can as hobby. You can people who have coding as hobby can explore this platform, and they have various number of questions, and you can go on any question and try to solve these questions. Then you can check about you can check the progress. You can see that how many people are have given the solution better than you, and how much memory you have taken, what is the runtime that you have taken. So on the basis of these data, you can again improve your solution. So it's a very good platform for practicing. So we are more interested in how GPT responds to a question from Leetcode. So in the first step, we just signed in and logged in, and after that we will. This is the text field where we have to post our question, and we can find the solution. So let's post this question. So it's very first question on problems of lead code, and if I straight away post the question and send it, so you can see that it had started. It found out like what the problem is. It gives you the explanation what is expected of the problem. Then it starts writing the code also in Python. After that, it does not stop there. It explains everything that it has done in solving this problem, as well as it has given comments in the code. So it's like it is writing a very clean code. Clean code, as in it has good naming conventions, good naming conventions, and good indentations, good explanation of the steps, good comments. So it's very clean code. So if you write, ChatGPT is writing code with very high standards. So uh, let's say I'm not interested in Python. So what I'll say is, please solve. No, please solve the above problem in Java. That's it. You just have to say that please solve ever problem in Java, or for that matter, if you don't want to say please solve the ever problem in Java, it's up to you. So it starts writing the solution. Now, as uh, we have seen that it has solved this problem, let's make sure whether it is correct or not. And if it is correct, how is the behavior, like how much memory it takes and how many people it beats in solving this problem. So what I'll do is I'll just copy the internal logic of the problem and I'll go there, and yeah, I'll just replace it and run it. Cool. The problem, the solution is accepted for the initial test cases. There are a number of test cases which we do not know as of now, but I'm sure there are more than three test cases. So these are the um, simple test cases that is given in the problem statement, and it passes all these test cases, and it does not only pass it passes with the flying colors 0 ms. So let's submit it and see how it performs for the rest of the test cases. Cool. It has beaten 99.28% of the solutions, as well as it took only 1 millisecond. So it shows the percentile. So also it took around 42.7 megabyte of memory, and which beats around 49% of people. So yeah, ChatGPT has solved this problem. Now let's go to some other problem. Hmm, let's go to any random problem. Rotate image. This is a pretty uh, famous problem. It has been asked in lots of interviews, and it is still being asked in lots of interviews. So the problem statement is there is an image, you have to rotate it. So it is image, as in if you know about image, how the images are being stored in the database in Google or any database for that matter, it gets stored in pixels. So it's just that 2D array. So here we are asked to rotate this image, and let me copy the problem link from this and solve following in. This time let's try C++. Cool. Here's the solution for rotate image in C++. Now it has not only solved, it has given the explanation that we are doing this. So what I'll do is I'll copy the internal logic and change the accepted solution to C++ and run the code. Cool. It took 3 milliseconds, and basic test cases, these two basic test cases, it has completed and solved that, and which is uh, more than enough to pass most of the interviews, because you have the core logic over here which is running pretty fast, not the fastest but pretty fast, and you have passed the sample test cases that was given to you. Now let's yeah now let's submit it and see. Cool. So it took 0 ms, the solution is pretty fast. I mean, fastest, one of the fastest in to be executed. So time complexity, it took the minimum time complexity that it should take, and memory it has taken 7.1 MB, which beats 43.50 people, 50% of the people or the solutions. So we have explored pretty much. So it is pretty interesting how fast AI is learning and how fast it is trying to solve our problems. So it's kind of mixed feelings. Like the AI and machine learning has grown at such levels that it is solving DSA and DSA problems with such accuracy. Cool. So let me know what other tools I should explore. And apart from ChatGPT, I'm also trying to explore some of other AI tools, which I'll make another video. For now, I think we are done, and we come up to the conclusion that yeah, just sending a proper explanation to ChatGPT, it will start solving those. It will start solving those problems with proper code, with clean code, as well as um, it will be also explaining you like uh, what was its thought process. Like it feels like I'm taking someone's interview, and he has written a proper code, as well as he has given me explanation of what he has taken, and of what steps he has taken. So it's pretty interesting. You can also explore these. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.